Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to share with you all: how to save money for your dream car. Whether it's a sleek sports car or a cozy family ride, we've got some awesome tips and tricks to help you achieve your goal. So, let's dive right in. Opening scene. Alright, picture this. You're cruising down the open road in your dream car, feeling that wind in your hair and the thrill of the ride. It's an amazing feeling, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality. Segment 1: Setting Goals. The first step to saving for a car is setting clear and achievable goals. Decide on the car you want and set a specific savings target. Remember, the more precise your goal, the more motivated you'll be to reach it. Step 1: Set your savings goal. Host, speaking with enthusiasm. Let's say your dream car costs $20,000. Decide on a timeline for your purchase and break down the amount you need to save each month. This way, you'll know exactly what you need to do to make that car yours. Example: $20,000 divided by 24 months equals $833 per month. Segment 2: Budgeting like a pro. Now that you have your goal in mind, it's time to become a budgeting pro. Step 2: Create a budget plan. Host, holding a budget planner. Get yourself a budget planner or use any budgeting app that suits you. Track your income and expenses diligently, and identify areas where you can cut back. Example: reduce dining out, subscriptions, etc. Remember, it's all about making small sacrifices now for that amazing car later. Segment 3: Automate your savings. Saving money doesn't have to be a constant struggle. One of the best ways to ensure you're saving consistently is by automating your savings. Step 3: Set up automatic transfers. Open a separate savings account dedicated to your car fund. Then, set up automatic transfers on your payday. It's like having your own little piggy bank that fills up effortlessly. Segment 4: Earning extra cash. Accelerate your savings by finding creative ways to earn extra cash. Step 4: Explore side hustles. Turn your hobbies or skills into a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or even dog walking, every little bit adds up. Segment 5: Celebrate your progress. Saving for a car can be a long journey, so don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Step 5: Celebrate milestones. When you reach certain milestones, treat yourself to a small reward. It will keep you motivated and excited about reaching your ultimate goal. Closing scene. Alright, my awesome viewers, you now have all the tools you need to save money for your dream car. Remember, with determination and smart choices, you can make it happen. Dream big, save big. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to share your own car savings journey in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Until next time, stay awesome and keep saving. Bye!